Hello,
I'm
everyone.
Aisha. You are
Welcome
watching
to
Educational Hub.
Ever wish your AI could actually do work inside your apps instead of just answering questions? Like checking your emails, replying to them, and managing your tools automatically? That's exactly what Claude Connectors can do. In this video, we're going to see how you can connect Claude to powerful apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, Notion, and many more, and use them directly inside the chat like a smart assistant that actually takes action for you. To begin, open Claude and go to the left sidebar. Click on Customize, then open Connectors. Here, you'll see a plus icon where you can add new integrations. Once you click it, you'll find a full list of supported apps. There are over 200 services available. Let's start with Gmail. Select it and continue. You'll be asked to allow permissions, so just review them and approve access. After that, Gmail will appear as a connected service inside Claude. By default, Claude can only read and analyze your emails. That means it can scan your inbox, summarize messages, and highlight important ones. If you want it to take actions, like drafting replies, it will ask for your confirmation first. Now go back to a new chat and try it out. Ask something like, check my inbox and show me important emails. Claude will analyze your emails and point out the ones that actually need attention instead of dumping everything in your inbox. Next, you can push it further. Ask it to draft a reply to a specific email. Claude will read the full conversation, generate a response, and save it directly as a draft inside Gmail. You can then edit it and send it manually. Now let's move to another powerful connector that's a game changer for students, researchers, and content creators, Consensus AI. Imagine you don't just want opinions from the internet, but actual research-based answers from real scientific papers. That's exactly what Consensus helps you do. With the Consensus connector, Claude can search through thousands of academic studies and give you answers backed by real evidence instead of random web results. So instead of guessing, you get facts that are actually proven by research. To use it, you connect Consensus just like any other connector. Go to Customize, Connectors, Add, then select Consensus and allow access. Once connected, you can simply ask Claude something like, what does research say about the effects of social media on mental health? Now here's the powerful part. Claude will scan scientific papers, analyze findings, and give you a clear summary, like, some studies show increased anxiety and depression with heavy usage, while others highlight benefits like social connection. Plus, it will also tell you which findings are stronger based on evidence. Another example. Does intermittent fasting actually help with weight loss? Instead of random advice, Claude will pull research-backed conclusions from multiple studies and summarize what the majority of evidence suggests. This is extremely useful for assignments and research papers, YouTube scripts with facts, business or health-related content, or even personal learning decisions. So basically, while normal AI gives you general answers, Consensus Connector upgrades Claude into a research assistant powered by real scientific evidence. And that's what makes it so powerful. You're not just getting answers, you're getting proof behind the answers. Next up is one of the most exciting connectors for creators, Canva. If you create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, or any kind of visual content, this connector basically turns Claude into your design assistant. With the Canva connector, you don't need to manually open templates, search designs, or spend time adjusting layouts. You just describe what you want, and Claude can directly create or edit designs inside Canva for you. To set it up, go to Customize, Connectors, Add, then select Canva and connect your account. Once it's linked, Claude can start designing for you instantly. Now, here's how powerful it gets in real life. Example 1, YouTube thumbnail. You can simply say, create a YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI tools for beginners with bold text and a text-style background. Claude will open Canva, choose a layout, and generate a professional-looking thumbnail idea with proper text placement, colors, and visuals. Normally, using Canva takes time because you have to manually build everything. But with Claude Connectors, you just describe your idea and it becomes a real design in seconds. So instead of searching templates, adjusting fonts, aligning elements, you just say what you want and it's done for you. That's why this connector is a huge upgrade for content creators, YouTubers, and social media marketers. It turns ideas directly into visuals without design stress. Next powerful connector is Slide GPT. This one is all about turning your ideas into professional presentations instantly. If Canva is for general design, then Slide GPT is specifically built for slides, reports, and structured presentations for you. It basically turns Claude into a presentation generator that understands your topic and builds full slide decks for you. To use it, you connect it just like other tools. Go to Customize, Connectors, Add, search for Slide GPT, and connect your account. Once linked, Claude can directly generate structured presentations for you. Instead of you manually creating slides one by one, you just give a topic, and Claude builds the full presentation structure. Example 1, School Presentation. Create a 7-slide presentation on climate change causes and solutions. Claude will automatically generate title slide, causes of climate change, effects, solutions, conclusion, all formatted into clean slides. With tools like Slide GPT, you don't waste time designing slides manually anymore. You just focus on the idea, and it handles structure, slide flow, content writing, formatting. So instead of spending hours in PowerPoint or Google Slides, you get a full presentation in minutes. Have you ever needed a presentation, document, or web page fast, but didn't want to spend hours designing slides? That's where Gamma comes in. Gamma is an AI-powered presentation tool that can transform a simple idea into a beautiful, interactive presentation within minutes. To connect it, go to Customize, Connectors, Add, search for Gamma, and authorize your account. Once connected, Claude can help you create polished presentations directly from your prompts. Unlike traditional slide tools, Gamma focuses on creating visually appealing content automatically, with layouts, images, and formatting already handled. Example 1, Business Presentation. Create a presentation about how AI is transforming small businesses. Claude can generate a complete Gamma presentation with introduction, AI benefits, real-world examples, challenges, future trends, conclusion, all organized into professional-looking pages. While traditional slide tools focus on individual slides, Gamma creates content that feels more like a modern website or interactive story. It automatically handles layout design, visual hierarchy, formatting, image placement, professional styling. So instead of spending time adjusting fonts, colors, and spacing, you simply describe what you need and Gamma builds it for you. And that's how you can unlock the real power of Claude Connectors step by step. From managing your Gmail, researching with real academic sources, designing in Canva, and even creating full presentations with tools like Gamma, everything becomes faster, smarter, and fully automated. Instead of switching between apps all day, you just tell Claude what you need, and it handles the rest for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to try these connectors yourself and see how much time they can save you in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.